How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about why do your AirPods keep making a chime noise. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So with the newer AirPods, there was a safety feature added to them, and this is what can cause the AirPods to make some noise. There is a big thing about the safety issue. I won't go into that, but it's just it was a safety issue that was for the Bluetooth basically. So all you have to do to get rid of this chime noise is to just make sure your Bluetooth is connected and make sure your AirPods are connected. If that doesn't work, you need to forget the AirPods. There will be something on your iPhone or whatever that says forget. Click forget and then just repair them again, and that'll stop them. Guaranteed. I've done this before. I was getting that chime noise. I did this. It does work, you guys. So that's all you have to do, and that should work. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.